y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla Koriyan if you're new. Today I'm about to head to Gallerie because I am redoing my bedroom, or sprucing it up, making it better, adding some decorative pieces. Gallerie is expensive, but it's so glam, it's so me. Like, I literally, if I could have the whole store in my home, that's what I would want my whole entire home to look like. So I have this color scheme that I have in mind for my bedroom. I'm going to give you guys a before of what my bedroom looks like now. And I want to paint the wall. I want paintings. Okay, I'm probably doing the most because I don't have to get all that from Gallerie, but I just love the Gallerie. So we're going. And if you're like me and you love Gallerie, let go. This is the before of my room. I only have one nightstand, the bedding, neat new bedding, stuff everywhere, and then this wall right here. So I don't know what accent wall I should do, but I'm thinking this be the accent wall and this be a painting. Ooh, I'm excited. Dance to dance, dance, dance to dance, dance. Yes, I have not unpacked my suitcase. Don't judge me. Come on, Harlem, time to be put up. Craig, the Uber's probably here. 3 minutes.
Oh yeah, that cheetah's cute. I love when they arrange stuff.
So mental lotion, they do have a cheetah pillow here. Even this is super cute.
Yeah, I like this. Oh, this tour is cute. I know their prices is cute too, girl. Oh, look at this lamb.
This one I meant by table placement.
Oh, that's cute. That's really cute.
This would match my bed perfectly. This color. You see how they layer their stuff? I really like that. But this would be perfect. Like these.
Yeah, I like those. It's wood.
Oh, these are the colors that I need. The colors I'm going for. Let's pull it out to look.
I remember seeing that. Oh, I went crazy.
I mean, they're not fluffy like that.
No.
What is that color? Alright guys, you know I don't really care for purple, but I love this whole setup in just a different color. I really like it. Okay, they are letting us use the bed in here to see what type of bedding I actually like. So we have this going on with the fur, the champagne, and the pinks. Craig went to go get some more pillows, and I want to see about doing like some more gold with like a green. Trying to get plates for the dining room table. Should I do silver or like try to incorporate a little bit of hint of gold? I feel like I'm going to end up changing that couch to something.
To like a nude? No.
But listen. Oh.
Placement mats.
So Craig liked this one. Let's make it some space. Craig? I mean, it would match the chairs.
Oh, it does go though.
Yeah. So I think I should stick with this.
With the gray chairs, it goes.
And then look, they got the turkey. Let's see those clips. Did you see?
I like these glasses, no?
That's too much for the table. Alright guys, these are all of my Z Gallerie bags. All of my new bedding, new stuff for the dining room tables, pillows. So excited. Oh my god, guys, it's almost Christmas. It's almost Christmas. Oh my god, like what type of tree am I doing this year? Look at this pink one. Oh my god.
That pink is cute, Jayla. That's the one I have to get. That is so cute.
I would want to find a big pink one.
This one.
That's not pink, that's rose gold.
No, it's closest to pink.
I'm dead.
This is the one I was talking about, this whole setup.
Like in my house?
The ornaments and everything, yeah.
Hey. Hi, just looking. We're looking for actually
bedding.
Sheets, bedding. Welcome to my bedroom. This is my college. Alright guys, this is my bedroom. Alright guys, this is my bedroom, and so you don't want me to talk? What? What? What crazy? What crazy? Uh-oh, don't fall. I want to do a transformation in here because when I walk in here, I want to feel glam. I want to feel like it looks like me. This is my bedding from when I was in college. So this whole, like the dresser, the headboard, the actual set, 2 years ago. So it's definitely time for me to like change up my room, make it a little bit more, you know, life after college, grown adult. I know it's a few things in this room that I need to add and I want to change, but I want to do the bedding first so I know what pieces to like add on versus buy it all at once and then me not liking something. So the first thing that I already know, I only got one nightstand when I was in college because the room was so small, but I need an additional nightstand. I'm not, I haven't found like a headboard that I'm like, oh my god, I have to have, so I'm going to keep my nightstand and headboard. So yeah, I want to go ahead and put the stuff that I got from Z Gallerie on my bed. I'm super excited. I'm someone that when I get something, like I want to use it immediately. And I can't help it. So I'm going to take all of this off and let's put the new stuff on, and then I'll be able to envision, like, you know, what colors I need to add, what the accent wall should be, what type of mirrors or lamps. Do I want to add more gold? You know, what do I want to do? Another overview of just what my room looks like now. I have this huge wall over here that is just bare and empty. And I found that I like my bed facing this way because when it was this way, it just had all this extra space right in here that you couldn't really use. So I definitely like it this way. My dog is acting crazy and my dog stuff is right here. I do have my TV and TV stand right here. I was thinking about getting it mounted on this wall above the, I don't really know what I should do with this, but these are my two pieces. This light will not be in here. It's so dark in here that you guys wouldn't be able to see without this. This goes into my other room, and I just put it behind. It adds a light. It's no lighting in my apartment, but what I wanted was a floor stand-up lamp right here. Maybe not one that, like, you know, has 3 lights, but just a normal stand-up chandelier. I saw one at Z Gallerie, but I want to do my room first to see if it would match. So just a normal stand-up lamp, and I will have the 2 lights for the nightstand, and that should like brighten up this room. So here we go. Who wears mismatched socks because you can't find the right ones? Me. Ready, Harlem? Alright guys, so it is daytime now and I want to show you guys the bedding. I'm about to get ready to get on Overstock and buy the lamps and buy my nightstand and the things that I'm missing to complete this room. And then of course I don't know what type of paint that I should, or the paint color that I should get. You guys know I love for your opinions. Let me know what you think about the room, what I should add. Send me some things. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm Jayla Koriyan on there. I've been looking at you guys' messages, or trying to look at all of you guys' messages, and when y'all ask me to move stuff around, I definitely move it around. So I love you guys' opinion. I do read the comments, okay? Dun, 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 dun. So this is my bedding. I decided to do without the pink pillows. My bed's just not big enough, but if I had like a queen or a king, I definitely would have, you know, more pillows on the bed. Now I was gonna upgrade my bed to like a queen, but honestly this room, I mean, it's a big room, but I just feel like with my full-size bed, I'm fine for right now. Like, it's no need for me to like do all of that. So I do want mirrors to go on the wall right here. Let me know, circle or square, so it'll be on both sides, and then they'll both have a new lamp. I'm thinking I want the lamp to be gold, to bring in some of the gold, not like a soft gold. This is more, I don't know, I want it to be gold. So I need another nightstand, 2 new lights, the mirrors, whether they're circle or square, that you guys are gonna let me know in the comment section. A painting on this wall, and Harlem, what are you doing? And I do need Harlem to get a new bed, because I just push his stuff under, you know, kind of under the bed, but this is just his stuff right now. He loves this little thing and little water bowl, so that just goes under my bed when not in use. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You need a new bed. But I love the bedding. Oh my god, let me know what you guys think. I really like it. So I'm going to my computer now to look up some pieces, and I'm so excited because my wardrobe closet gets dropped off tomorrow. The truck comes between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. So the room over there, I like have to get that room together. It's gonna be almost finished. Well, it has to get here and I have to get them to install it, but it's gonna be a full closet, like makeup, beauty room. I'm excited. So that comes tomorrow. And then maybe I can like run to the paint store and just be at home tomorrow and have, you know, task rabbit people come put up the stuff and then paint if I wanted to. Like if I want to get this wall painted, just the color. So one other thing, I did try these are all the stuff from IKEA, I mean not IKEA, all the stuff from GALLERIE that I'm returning. I did try to do these pink fuzzy pillows on my couch right here. Harlem knows how to jump up on the couch now, but they don't match with my bar stools. Oh, and just little bitty updates. I know this is about a master bedroom, but these are the plates, what we came up with the jewel on them. Ooh. But I just was putting them down to see how they look. But this is going to be a 2-person table. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a new glass, guys. This glass is ridiculously big, but it's just a glass. So I was like, I can just push these together and have a shorter table. Like, it's really not that, you know, I don't have to get a new table. So it is going to be a 2-person table, and I'm just going to get a shorter glass and push it shorter, so it's not going to look so big in that area. I know we were going back and forth for what I should do in there, what I should do, or maybe a 3, I don't know. Right now I'll just vision 2-person, but when I get a bigger glass, then I can update you guys about the dining room table. But yeah, this is the setup that I got from GALLERIE, and I did get 2 more, but if I'm going to make it a 2-person table, then this is kind of all I need. All right guys, what do you prefer, Overstock or Wayfair for shopping? They're similar sites, but I always go back and forth. I have been looking at like gold lamps and stuff, so if you guys are on Overstock shopping for stuff, or Wayfair, let me know if you find something good. But I've been in here, I have 14 things in my cart. It's late right now. Sneak peek, the room over there is getting done, so the pieces are being put together, and I'm just like, you know, shopping around. I feel like these are too big. Like, why are these so huge? I don't have a king size bed, and why are these so huge? But it's so cute. I don't even know if I should be doing gold. All of my house, everywhere else is silver, but I feel like I can still do gold. Oh my god, let me show you something that I found. So I really wanted to do cheetah in my room, and that just did not freaking happen. So I think I want this rug in my closet room with, let me show you, with like a emerald green. I don't know, I just really have been liking the color, like in the center. This is what I really wanted, the color scheme. I don't know. I just was putting things like in my cart, honestly. I was like trying to find a rug for the room, my bedroom. I was like, that's nice. They also have it in like a silver color. I wish you guys could like be with me right now, and I could get on you guys' nerves, and you guys could shop with me. But I guess we can't do that, can we? Oh, I have silver mirrors. So make sure you guys tell me if I should do circle or square, because I don't know. A girl don't know. Check on Harlan because he gets sad when he can't get out. But we have someone here, and you know you don't know how to act, buddy boy. You don't know how to act, baby. You can come out in a little bit, okay? Okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I am like almost finished getting my house done. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video when my closet gets here and we're building it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.